We need to make our voices heard. We're not red, we're not blue. We're the building trade. The backbone of America. You want to build a $5 billion data center?
Ladies and gentlemen, how do you do? It's been a long time.
1.6 billion careers, building their retirement, no college debt. You don't call Elon Musk. You call us. North Burton Building Trades Union. And yeah, that means all of it. Including our brother, Smart Apprentice, Kilmar Arbrega Garcia, who we demand to be returned to us and his family now.
Adjust the volume
Bring him
control
home.
so that the sound can be heard in all parts of the room. Immediately following this announcement, you will see a flash and hear a beep. These should happen at the same time.